What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are day 3 out here in SoCal, and we're actually headed to a car meet hosted by VTECTUNING. And on the way there with Slimeball and his sons, his visor freaking broke off his car. That's the JDM Integra, and he has some OEM visors on it that folded on the freeway. So he's taking it off right now, and we'll hit back on the road here in a minute. We're about 20 minutes out, and we'll see you guys in the parking spot. Before people start rolling out. What's good, brother? Is you right here? That's me, man. It's just fire, bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah, 80 89 CPFs, carbon hood. You can't go wrong with that. SI too on top of that. Interior is clean, bro. Yeah, that's just nice. Love it. Yeah, a lot of the cars started rolling out, so I just wanted to grab some shots of some of the cars out here real quick before all the fire cars get out of here. Really love these Advans. I'm gonna lie to you guys. Kind of want to get these for the wagon, but pocketing that deep. That's cool. Some newer cars. Don't move your stuff, bro. Fire. I'm a sucker for turbo, so definitely gotta check this thing out. Now, wide body TSX, dude. The thing about wide body is, like, you gotta have the right wheels with it. Now this thing has got some really aggressive wheels, which looks really good, but even with the wide body and aired out, it just seems sunk for some reason. You know what I mean? One of my favorite wheels as well too. If I went VIP, this is the wheels I'll be rocking. Oh. RSX and Lexos. There's a DA back here. I always gotta get the EF and DA stuff, man.
No, thank you, dog.
Hey,
too,
I appreciate that. Hell yeah. One piece headlights. You know, hey, you're part of the DA community, man. Can you tell me real quick how hard it is to find one piece headlights these days?
If you want to pay like $700, $800
oh my god,
for one piece.
Back in the day they were like 300 bucks.
Oh yeah, dog, those are old school. I had those for like 15 years, dog.
150, yeah. Yeah, these are crazy these days, bro.
Hey, they could be cleaner.
Back in the days.
I like to keep the old school nostalgic look, bro.
Yeah, no, for sure. Love it. Hell yeah. I don't know if it was this car that passes up on the freeway, but dude, K Turbo, fire. Very simple, very basic. It's got a precision turbo on it. Same manifold that I run. Stock throttle body. It does got the Sirocco radiator. It's got a nice size intercooler on it as well too. Fire. Got a nice little court right here for some photo shoot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the FL5 pretty fire, but I want to check out this CCW S2K right here. So simple, so clean. Got some RSX out here. Got the ITR Big 4s on a VSM EK. White and silver, you can't go wrong, dude. On the 5-lug. Man, I kind of want to go 5-lug on a wagon. What do you guys think? Kind of debated on it, but my spoons are 4x100, and I bought the spoon specifically for the wagon. Accord wagon. Sheesh, chill out. Looks good on these wheels. That's cool. Got a couple of sedans here. I don't know, this thing is on air. I think it's on air. I just seen a kid earlier hitting the switches on this thing. Definitely got to show some love to the sedans. There was a blue one that was over there, and I think he left already, but I really wanted to check it out. Ooh, look at this one. Carbon widened fenders. Probably Osaka fenders, I'm not sure. Look at this. On Hoosiers. So apparently this is like a giveaway car or something.
How you guys doing?
The Recaro seats. This is one of 2 giveaway car. I'll show you guys at EK in just a second, but this thing is super clean. Oh wow, it's a GSR on top of that.
So you guys drivers had to come by. What's going on, brother?
So let me show you guys this real quick. Golden Era raffle, Golden Era garage, 3 winners. Ray 57 DRs, the EK with the K24, Acura Integra B18C5. You guys can read this real quick. I'm gonna scroll down.
But yeah, no, we do a lot of those. Right now, I just run the show. Primarily maintenance.
Well, Sheriff just pulled up. That's awesome. But anyways, I'm gonna continue my walk. I want to show you guys this EK real quick. Obviously there's a little parts list over there, but this is the other giveaway car, and this thing is super clean. Excuse me real quick. Thank you. This thing is super clean. You can never go wrong with the gunmetal on the black. Well-built car. But I'm gonna go ahead and just continue walking because they might get shut down here in a little bit. Couple of Integras, both on 57 DRs. I actually like this one right here. Another one on 57s on an EM1. Oh, this is so clean. Is this an ES2 with a case swap? 17-inch hypergrams from KONIG. This is nice. Not one, but 2 of them. This one's turboed on top of that. A lot of shiny stuff in here. Holy crap. 245 40 18s. Holy shit. This thing's really nice though. Carbon trunk. Oh, look at this one. This is the year under. Turbo on top of that. This is I think EM2. I might be tripping. I don't know these newer cars. Carbon trunk as well. These are the wheels that I'm after right here. NCO1 Group B's in black. What do you guys think on the KRX? I think this will look fire. Is it C2s? Racing Heart C2s? Am I tripping? Racing Heart C2s. Throwing it way back. On a 4-door? I don't know about you guys, but this is a very clean engine bay. Factory OE plus everything. Aside from the skunk 2 and the ice box, but super clean. You guys know me, something about 4-doors. All stock? GSR, look at that. RS betas on here, on Neogens. Super clean. Shave moldings, Type R front. You got the TE Sonics, I believe. Looking good. Like I said, man, something about VSM, bro. I can't wait to paint my CRX. I almost walked right past this car right here. Super clean CRX. hatch as well. Oh my goodness, hold on, check this out. Look at the works on these. Holy crap. Oh my god, look at the interior. It's got that HKS like radiation on it. Pretty cool. I gotta show you guys this, dude. This thing is so tiny in person. This is the Honda Beat, I think it is. Yeah. Pretty sick. Super clean on the Mugen R&Rs, DC5 seats, very clean interior. All right, guys, I was just chopping it up with a bunch of y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for the support, showing me some love out here. But try to get some of these whips before everybody take off, because this is a short meet today. I seen this thing on the freeway. Never really seen a first gen driving around as often anymore, so it's nice to see this out here. DA. Give you guys a quick little round. Oh wow, look at this. This is really clean. Loving the theme. Oh wow. You guys have seen this before. If you guys haven't checked it out on Automotive Anatomy's channel, it's the homie's car, Jose. This thing we also recorded it when it was racing at Irwindale before they shut down. Ooh, on the SSRs. Chill out. Fire. Oh, then you got these two guys right here, you know, Dwayne and Slime Beezy. Dwayne popped out with the wagon. If you guys remember this, the last time we came down to LA, we helped him put the entire setup together. Slimeball did the swap. I did a lot of the miscellaneous stuff, and he's been dialing it in to get it all roadworthy, and it's ready to rock and roll. All the wiring gremlins that this car had, they figured it all out, and it should be ready for the dyno here. I think he said like next week or something, but you know, if he does go to the dyno, we'll try to make it out there as well too. It sounded really good coming in, but it definitely needs a tune for sure. Yeah. Donkey, get off the street, Donkey. Donkey. Donkey.